Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have a 4550. It's a Juniper Switch which doesn't boot, just boot into the loader. Maybe because the operating system is corrupted, or maybe it was a failed upgrade, or sometimes the other case what happened is this unit sometimes they are working into the virtual chassis configuration, and when they remove the switch from the stack they don't arrange the configuration, they don't remove properly, and that may cause some issues on the unit for booting. So let me show you how to execute, how to recover that. It's a very simple procedure. Set IP ADR equal 192.168.0.178. set net mask 255.255.255.0. set gateway IP (192.168.0.1) in my network. Set server IP 192.168.0.102, and then this the install format option, which will erase everything on boot flash. Install -- format TFTP 192.168.0.102, and the operating system name, which is this one right here. Paste. Just hit enter and wait until the process is complete. Let me see what happened here. I have an issue with the file name. The file name is not correct. So it's a install -- format TFTP 192.168.0.102, and the file name. The J letter was missing in there. That's why I received that cannot open the package error too. So basically just enter, and that will basically format everything. So be careful, because this procedure format everything on the unit, all the content on flash, but that's the only way to recover the unit. There is a different option as well, like recover the snapshot. I can make a video of that, and also you can recover the unit using a USB pen drive. So let's wait until the process is complete, and after that we are checking. We are just running a few diagnostic commands to make sure that everything is working. So let's wait until the process is complete. So guys, as we can see right here, all the process is complete. Format the whole boot flash, and you can see all these work right here. Trying to format, check the memory using FD, just to make sure that it's not any physical damage on the disk, right? So basically that is how this install format works. So let's check and see what else we have in here. That's the operating system that we copy. Show system information. Doesn't work this command on this version. Show version then. Show chassis. Hardware detail. Show chassis FPC quick status. There we go. And then show chassis routing engine. And then show chassis environment, just to make sure that all fans are working. One power supply that said that is failed, but I believe it because it's not connected. So and then show chassis alarm, show system alarm. Yeah, very much. That's basically, all the, there is another command, which is basically, when you recover the operating system, there is a different version warning on the chassis. Let's just check. Show system snapshot media internal. Let's see, both operating systems are working in the primary partition, which is this one right here, and the backup partition, which is basically the same. So that is how do you recover, the EX-4550-32F Juniper Switch. So this is, how the recovery procedure. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate your time. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like and share with your friends and co-workers. Thank you so much and have a nice weekend. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.